Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be going over a new feature on Zoho CRM called Administration Tools, which can be useful for configurations on larger accounts. Now, you've been using Zoho CRM for a long period of time now, say 3 or 4 years, and over that period of time, you have created a ton of workflows, email templates, custom views for your various modules. For this case, it is essential to eliminate unused and outdated configurations in your system. And here's where Admin Tools enters into the picture. Administration Tools offers you a better interface to view a master list of your configurations and delete them. It's important to periodically review which of these configurations are useful and which are no longer necessary. This allows you to keep your database up to date and prevent further system limitations. And under Data Administration, you want to select Admin Tools. As you can see, Admin Tools help you to filter out unused configurations and delete them in bulk. Now click on Get Started. Here you can select from which feature you want to delete from. And on this page, you just select the module in which you want to delete the feature from. And once you do that, you can click on Show Results. Here below are all the results, and this is just a master list of all the available configurations that are associated with the selected module and feature. You can delete these configurations in two separate ways. The first way is to just check on these boxes in which you want to delete and click on Delete Workflows. The second way would be to add a criteria. You are able to filter the criteria by time or people and delete all of the unused configurations associated with that criteria in bulk. Now, when you delete these configurations, you can click on the History of Deletion button, and this button will show you all of the items you have deleted and when. As I've said, this feature can be extremely handy as your account gets bigger and more people are using the system. For more information and insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.